Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can force restart your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any iPhone. If you turn your phone to the left side, you see that there are volume up and volume down button. This is the volume up button and this is the volume down button. On the right side there is a power button of your phone, which is this. So what you need to do is you need to hold your phone like this. You need to press the volume up button and down and then keep holding the power button so you can restart your phone. I'm starting it, so volume up, volume down, and I'm holding the power button. You need to keep holding your power button until the screen will go black and Apple sign will come up. You need to hold for 5 to 10 seconds, and that's how your screen has gone black. Keep holding the power button so that so Apple sign will come up. Now I can leave the power button, and that's how you can actually force restart your phone instantly. Mostly you can restart your phone while it's got stacked, or your touch is not working, or any of the apps which collide with each other, and you are using a slow user experience. I hope so we are back. I hope you get the point what I'm trying to tell you. You just need to hold the volume up. You need to tap the volume button up, down, and keep holding the power button. So that's how you can actually force restart your iPhone. Bye bye.